Halo guys, jangan lupa like, komen dan subscribe sebelum nonton ya. Dan semoga kalian tetap sehat, waras dan gak gila menjalani hidup ini. Nah, Manchester United bakal melakoni ujian berat melawan Chelsea pada matchday ke-10 Liga Inggris di Stadion Old Trafford, Minggu 3 November. Berikut prediksi MU versus Chelsea di Liga Inggris. Melawan Chelsea akan jadi tantangan bagi Ruud van Nistelrooy sebagai pelatih sementara. Nistelrooy menjalani ujian pertama setelah mengantar Man United menang telak 5-2 atas Leicester City di Piala Liga Inggris atau Carabao Cup. Kemenangan atas Leicester jadi modal bagus bagi Nistelrooy dalam melawan Chelsea. Namun, menghadapi Chelsea bukan pertarungan mudah bagi legenda Setan Merah itu. The Blues memiliki peringkat yang lebih baik ketimbang MU, posisi 6. Tim asuhan Enzo Maresca ini juga hanya satu kali kalah dari 5 pertandingan terakhir Premier League, 3 diantaranya kemenangan. Sementara MU hanya satu kali menang dari 5 pertandingan terakhir, dan hanya sekali menang. Karena rapor itu, MU memecah Erik ten Hag. Laga Liga Inggris berbeda dengan Piala Liga. Ditambah lagi lawan MU adalah Chelsea yang tengah menanjak pada musim ini, bukan Leicester yang di peringkat ke-15. Meski Ruben Amorim sudah resmi menjadi pelatih Manchester United, namun Bruno Fernandes dan kawan-kawan akan tetap dilatih Ruud van Nistelrooy sampai 11 November mendatang. Dengan demikian, beberapa pertandingan ke depan akan jadi pembuktian bagi Van Nistelrooy bahwa dia juga pantas menjadi pelatih MU. Terlebih duel melawan Chelsea akan jadi big match. Selamat menyaksikan guys. Jangan lupa tulis pendapat julid kalian di kolom komentar.
Who played for 2 seasons. And Onana was stretching, but the ball goes directly over the crossbar. Bjirrr. There's been a nice bite to this game. Delivery from Cole Palmer, in swinging, comes off the woodwork and then into the side netting. Wesley Fofana. Here is Cole Palmer. Can he get the shot away? Good defending from De Ligt. First corner of the game. This is Garnacho, the doubling up down this side. Mazraoui was backing away. Gusto. A good turn by Pedro Neto. Fernandes has a look to see where Højlund is. Lovely footwork. Can he deliver? It's put over the top by Bruno Fernandes. Well, hands down, that Casado to Gusto. Interception. Fofana looking for Jackson, who's not seen much of the ball so far. Who lost on their last Premier League trip, that was at Liverpool. Sent in by Bruno Fernandes, headed down by Fofana. That's a dangerous delivery. Martinez leapt well. Noni Madueke, challenged by Mazraoui. And this is Nicholas Jackson. Martinez got back to do the number 10 in full flight. And he's managed to win a corner from that. Much of the previous replay, but Casemiro was almost closed. Rashford. Huge. Højlund runs into Fofana. Just giving it away. However, Garnacho, and there's no excuse for this, is straight offside. He's
his marker. Haven't seen anything kind of
too close to the keeper. Oh, it's been fumbled by Onana. Hearts and mouths. Rashford for Alejandro Garnacho, but he couldn't quite get the power on it. Manchester United. It's worked out well for Chelsea. Challenged by Ugarte, was right on the edge of the penalty. Gusto in that little pocket of space again. Outside of the boot from Rashford. Again, is it too far in front of Garnacho? Oh, he's done well to keep it in. Højlund. The referee says it's a clean or a goal for Chelsea. Casemiro towards Højlund. Manchester United's turn to swarm the Chelsea penalty area. Did he take too long? Højlund! Good reaction save from Sanchez.
Free.
Bruno Fernandes and the Chelsea.
And there's that little.
Could Chelsea take the lead at Old Trafford?
Threatening attempt.
Earlier this first half is about as close to scoring in the game as any. Sincere has a go himself. Plenty to aim for, but he gives it. This world-class away from Casemiro. Now he's fouled. Cole Palmer too hot to hand. Keeper stayed on his goal line. Away. Chelsea work hard to get it back. It's been a real tussle. Head around by Fernandes. Rashford! It's come off the crossbar. So close to perfection.
First half, maybe it was something to do with that.
James strong against Garnacho, then he goes down under the challenge from Ugarte. Not to make any alterations in personnel over the break.
It's an example of it. There's a lot of really good players on that football.
And the flag is raised against Marcus Rashford. Did he give it up for Cucurella? Fafana nearly gave it away to Ram. Might actually be here today to run the room. Palmer. It's an in-swinger. Casemiro at the front post. Casemiro close to that foot. Here comes Madueke. Oh, bursting to get there ahead of Pedro Neto. At him. Lavia behind. Complete miscue by Colwell. And Reece James. There's a composure from Reece James. Picks out Marcus Rashford. Garnacho's on the back post. It was an awkward bounce in front of Reece James. He did get a touch on it. Manchester again. And that'll be followed by a trip to Ipswich for this Chelsea team. Pedro Neto! In a game of few chances, that counts as a big one. Yeah. Clever from Mazraoui. Bruno Fernandes, though, finds it difficult to get past. Breathing down the neck of Lisandro Martinez. Rashford looking for the angle. And it bounced kindly for Sanchez. Remember, a Chelsea win here if they could get a... Straight into Mazraoui. It's got a draw here. Chelsea, who started... It was 10 minutes before half-time. Rashford's arriving. Here is Garnacho. And he's fluffed his lines. What a chance.
I don't know whether he's kicked it off his other boot.
Pass was slightly behind Marcus Rashford, which made it difficult for him to advance. Here it comes from Cole Palmer. Dallo, which is Casemiro. Flag rate. Ugarte on the yellow show. Just too high for Fafana. Højlund. Was he fouled by the keeper? Penalty! Rasmus. It is 1-0 to Manchester United. And into November, Bruno Fernandes finally gets his first Premier League goal of the season. A rude awakening at Old Trafford.
Well, he's got to be with Mazraoui.
It's Erik ten Hag his job. Here's an opportunity. What a shot! Casado! His first ever Premier League goal came against Manchester United. That was for Brighton 3 seasons ago. What an outstanding goal from the Ecuadorian. The day after his 23rd birthday. Jackson, can he hold his feet? Oh, he gave it back to Enzo Fernandez, who just seemed... Garnacho just dragged it. James.
Meskipun MU mainnya ngeselin seperti biasa, pantesan Ten Hag dipecat karena emang mainnya kayak gitu, guys. Di awal masih mending tuh tadi, sempet menguasain permainan, tapi masuk menit ke 30 tuh udah mulai boring dan balik ke setelan awal ya. Hampir semua pemain MU senang banget keeping the ball, guys. Nggak langsung oper ke teman yang udah capek-capek buka ruang dan berdiri bebas. Rata-rata mereka kalau udah pegang bola nunggu nabrak lawan, jatuh atau kepleset baru tuh ngoper bola sekenanya. Padahal ada 9 orang di tim buat memudahkan permainan dengan saling oper ya. Ini malah saling senang banget mainan bola. Pokoknya semalam beruntung banget ya dapat penalti, jadi kehindar dari kekalahan guys. Jadi nggak sabar nunggu Ruben Amorim datang buat brainwash apa yang ada di kepala para pemain supaya mindset cara bermain itu berubah. Jadi minimal tiki taka lah, pegang bola sebentar oper, pegang bola sebentar oper gitu. Oke guys, semoga ada mood booster lainnya, yaitu Indonesia menang lawan Jepang lah minimal. Oke guys, semoga timnas menang ya. Wassalam.